In this video, I want to show you a secret website you can use to buy cheap data for all your mobile network. Now, with this website which I'm about to show in this video, you can get 5 gig of data for 1,335 naira. Now, you can also get 1 gig of data for 273 naira. Now, let's say you are looking for a platform to buy cheap data. Maybe you want to download your favorite movies from the internet, or you want to upload to the internet also, or let's say you want to study that online course. Now you are looking for a website or an app to buy cheap data. Now this website I'm going to show you is one of the best websites you can use to buy cheap data. Now before I tell you if it is profitable or not, now let's do a calculation so we can know if it is profitable we buy from this website or we buy from our mobile network provider. Now let's say you want to buy 1.2 gig from our mobile network provider. This will cost us 1,200. Now let's say you want to buy 8 gig of data from our mobile network provider. This will cost us 3,000 naira. Now let's say we want to use this website which I'm about to show in this video. Now 5 gig of data will cost us 1,335 naira, and we can also get 10 gig of data for 2,680 naira. Is this not amazing? For me, I think it is profitable than buying from our mobile network. Now let me know what you think about this, if it is profitable or not, or if you have other website which is more cheaper than this. Let me know in the comment section. Now before I show you can create account on this website, make sure you like this video so that YouTube can also show this video to more people. Let's other people to also benefit from this video. Now make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have done that, thanks for doing that for me. Now this is how you can create account on this website. Any browser of your choice. Now just head over to the search bar here. Now make sure you type this which I'm going to type in this video, and make sure it is correct. Then club connect. Now make sure you use the first one that will appear here. So make sure you use the first one here. Now you click on it, so allow it to open. Now when it open, make sure you use this one here. Make sure you use the first one here. Now I'm just going to click on it. Now this is the interface of the website. This is the interface of the website. Now let me show you what you do, and make sure you watch this video to the end, because after creating this website there are important things that you need to do so that whenever you buy your data from this website you receive it in your SIM. So I'm just going to show you how you can register on this website. Now you click on register. Then when you click on register, you just have to input your first name, your last name, sorry. Then you input your phone number. Then if I scroll up, then you input your phone number, your email, and you input your password. Now this place you see referral ID, this place is optional. This place here is optional. Then you can leave it the way it is. And after you have input all this information, head over to where you see this place that you are seeing register. Then you click on register. Now after you have registered, so it's going to take you to this interface. So as you can see, I have some balance in my wallet here. So it's just Telegram wallet which you'll be using to buy cheap data. Now make sure you watch this video to the end like I said. So I want to show you 3 important things you need to do before you start using this website. Now if you scroll down to here, you are going to see account verified. So this means that I have already verified my account before I start using this website. Now there's one particular document you need to use. Now you need to use your NIN or your BVN to verify this website. Before you can start using this website, you need to done your KYC, which is know your customer. Now when you create this account newly, you are going to see a place whereby you do this. Now you can choose to upgrade this account to their sub distributor, so you can be buying cheaper than this. Now let me scroll up here. Now after you have done your KYC there, this is what you do again. Come over to here, then come over to this place that you are seeing deposit money. Then click on it. So let me use this. Click on it. So click on deposit money. Now you can see accounts. You can input the amount you want to deposit. So let's say I want to deposit
let's say I want to deposit 500. So I'll choose the payment method which I want to use. So I want to use cash deposit or mobile internet bank transfer. So I'll just go with this. Now I'll click on proceed. So I'll click on proceed. So let's wait for it to load. So let's wait for it to load. So it has opened here. Now you copy this account number. It's going to display account number here. So after you have done your KYC, you will be able to get your phone, your account number. Now you copy this account number, then you head over to your bank or your banking app, or transfer this amount of money. You transfer it to the wallet. Now when you done that, if the payment was successful, after some minutes the money is going to reflect. Now let me go back to my main interface. So let me show you how you can start using this website to buy data. Now as you can see, I already have 198 naira here. So let me show you how you can use this website to buy data. Now if I come over to here, these are what you can do with this website. You can buy airtime, you can buy data. Just going to use this website to buy data. Then I'll just click on buy data. I'll allow it to open. So as you can see, I will choose my mobile network which I want to use. So I want to use this one. So I'll just click choose my data plan. So I'll input my phone number. So let's do that. I will be buying for my Airtel network, so I will go with this. So I'll choose on Airtel. So I'll just, for the sake of this tutorial video, I'll buy 100 MB. So I'll just click on it. So I will input my phone number. So let's do a test to check if we can actually use this website. So if I'm going to receive the data, so you can see I'll be buying 100 MB for 32 naira. So if I scroll down, I'll click on buy now. So I'll click on buy now. So please make sure you subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Okay, as you can see, I've received the 100 MB. As you can see here, order has been completed here. So that is it on how you can use this website.
Now, I believe you have gained value from this video. Why don't you like this video so that YouTube can also share it to more people? Why don't you subscribe to this channel for more content like this? Now if you have done that, thanks for doing that, and see you in my next video.